Hi everyone, how are you? So just to give you a little quick update on the new workshop Saga. This couple of last couple of days were really bad in terms of the sun. So all of the roof is done, as you see in a few seconds. And yeah, without any further ado, let me show you the update. So these are the new panels on the roof. Now I'll show you on the inside in just a few seconds. I replaced some of the roof boards. I didn't change all the roof. So I just replace the panels, the top panels on this section here. Now they are black. I bought these, like I said, for the old shop, and I just reuse them here. And now I would recommend that these probably went down in quality over the years. Now, in the old shop, I did install like 13 years ago the same brand, but these were much better. I would say much more stiffer, much more. How should I say this? You could step on it and they did not deform. And I also placed these in the summer, like with this one here. So not sure what's happening, and also I could cut these with a box cutter, which is quite an odd because on the old shop 13 years ago the same panels again were I had to cut them with I believe I used the grinder, the angle grinder. So that's the roof done. I did pour it with the water and nothing is leaking. Now I don't see any remnants of any moisture or anything inside, so that's the good news. In terms of the garbage here, most of it has been taken away. There was one truck, big truck, and one van full of this stuff here, and so that's now left probably for one more truck. And with a buddy of mine we managed to transfer the OSB from the other shop, and also some of the timber here that I will use to batten the inside of the shop. So that's on this angle here. So let me just get down and you'll see on the inside what I've done on the roof here. So as you can see, not much has left here, so I'm really pleased with that. So today they should take all of this away, so I'll have a clean backyard here so I can manipulate the material and everything the way I want. So here on the inside I just place the material, the styrofoam, again from the old shop. I was planning on using this on the retaining wall, but here in this shop I'll use it on a lower section of the walls, and the wool here I'll use for the roof and the top section here. So going around the shop here, so again here I have the timber that I'm planning on using on that retaining wall, but it's 50 by 50 mil square and 28 by 48 mil boards, so they should come in handy here. So there is still obviously a little bit of light here in the transition, but when the roof panels, sorry, not the roof panel, but insulation and OSB comes on top, none of that will be visible, and I still have to put a little flashing on the outside perimeter of the corner, this corner here on the roof, but that can wait. Everything is again waterproof, so that's the important thing. Now here you can see the transition old boards here and the new one that I put here. This old section was rotted away, so I replaced those. I put a new across the span here, new board, and there is a metal behind it, so it's plenty strong. I stand here and jump all day yesterday, and everything was fine. And this section here as well, I need to change this one, the entire length, this one a little bit shorter. And today on the resume for the work will be cutting away this tin here for the walkway through, and so connecting the shop, and I could make a little cross breeze when I'm working on the inside here. So that's the one of the next task, and to start to put like similar to these buttons here where I can screw the OSB panels. And before that I'll remove all the electricity here for the moment. Well, not for the moment, I'll reinstall, but the way I would like. And I will put those what's it called, it's not conduit, it's a, or it is maybe conduit that you put the wire through, so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. So that should be spread nicely around the shop. So again, most of my time were taken by the roof, but now it's completely sealed, and well, most of it is sealed, but I'm quite pleased with it, and I can get started to work on the inside. Since this is a short video on an update on the workshop, I'm going to put a little turning video that I did for a client, tiny little goblets, so you'll see that as well now. So again, thank you for all the lovely suggestions on the last video, and again, I read through all of the comments. I just can't answer them at the moment. Physically, I can't answer them with the time that I have. So again, thank you all, and now I'll let you watch a little turning video. And I had a little request to make small tiny goblet like this. I put a little loose ring here in the middle, and have a blank here in a Morse taper of the spindle. So just to roughly shape the Morse taper, and then you whack it into the spindle. And the tools I'll be using is 1 inch or 25 mil wide skew and 1/2 inch. So off we go. Start the hole from the end, and I drill the hole with the drill bit. Should put my finger behind the cut to reduce vibration. With a smaller skew, I'll just reduce the size of the ring. And now I'm undercutting the ring a little bit, and on this end. So that's loose. And now with the big skew again, I want to finesse the curve underneath. A little bit more. Okay, that's quite good. I can thin down this a little bit more. Make a little detail. Let's see, some around here. And we'll finish it off somewhere around here. So it's a little bit too thick in these two areas here, but it can join the others here, and the others are a little bit more finessed, I would say. So hope the client will love this, and see you in the next video.